Does your inbound call center have too many problems? Frustrated customers, lost agents, failing quality? The solution isn't hiring more agents. The solution is having better ones. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. With a quality monitoring form in Excel you can use right now, without waiting for anything. I'm going to show you how to evaluate inbound call quality the right way. Let's go through the 7 problems that most destroy the quality of an inbound call center. Number 1, lack of empathy. The customer calls in frustrated, and the agent seems like they don't even want to be there. Guaranteed disaster. Number 2, blocked communication. Jargon, technical language, confused customer, nobody understands anybody. Number 3, unsolved problems. The call ends, the problem continues, the customer leaves more frustrated than when they call it. Number 4, inconsistency. One agent resolves it, another doesn't even know where to start. Which one you get next time? It's a lottery. Number 5, poorly trained agents. They don't know the product, they don't know how to answer, they panic. Number 6, no follow-up. Promises in the air. Nobody follows up to confirm anything. Number 7, the multitasking chaos. Handling calls, answering emails, checking tickets, making coffee, all at the same time. Probably all wrong. And here's the important part. All these problems have a solution. It starts measuring correctly. And that's where the inbound quality monitoring form in Excel that we prepare for you comes in. Simple, structured, ready to use. You download it, open it in Excel, and start right now. It has 4 pillars. Let's go through each one. The first pillar is opening and professionalism. Here, you evaluate 4 criteria. First one is greeting. The agent uses a friendly and professional greeting. They disclose that the call may be recorded. Worth 3 points. The first impression sets the tone for everything. Item number 2, active listening. The agent demonstrates that they are listening. They use verbal cues like, okay, I see. They don't interrupt the customer. Also, 3 points. Customers want to be heard. If they are not, they are already frustrated. Item number 3, empathy. I understand your frustration. It sounds like you're having trouble with X. Empathetic language. 3 more points. Empathy builds trust, and trust builds resolution. Item number 4, professionalism. Courteous tone, clear and concise language, no personal opinions. 3 more points. Total for this pillar is 12 points. The second pillar is customer focus and understanding. Here, you go beyond the surface and get into the tail of the problem. Item number 1, needs identification. The agent effectively gathers information. They ask clarifying questions. They ensure full understanding of the problem. 5 points. Because if you don't understand the problem, you never solve it. Item number 2, customer focus. Does the agent prioritize the customer's needs throughout the entire call? Do they tailor solutions to their situation? Or they are just watching the clock? 5 points. Item number 3, rapport building. The agent builds trust with the customer, maintains a positive and helpful attitude. 5 more points. Rapport is what makes the customer think this person really wants to help me. Item number 4, clear and concise communication. No jargon. Language the customer actually understands. 5 more points. The total for this pillar is 20 points. Here you measure the real quality of the interaction, not just whether it was polite, but whether it was truly effective. The third pillar is product knowledge and problem solved. This is the heart of inbound service. If the agent doesn't know what they are doing, nothing works. Item number 1 is product knowledge. Do they demonstrate a strong understanding of the company's products and services? Do they answer accurately and confidently? 10 points, the highest weight in the fort. For a reason, you can't be empathetic and communicative if you don't know what you're talking about. Item number 2, solution-oriented. Does the agent focus on resolving the issue? Do they offer multiple actions when possible? 5 points. It's not about having an answer, it's about having alternatives. Item number 3, resolution skills. Critical thinking and creativity for complex issues. 5 points. Item number 4, escalation. Does the agent know when to escalate? Do they follow the proper procedures? 5 points. Knowing our limits is just as important as resolving. Total for this pillar is 25 points. The fourth pillar is call resolution and follow-up, because a good call ends well and keeps working afterward. Item number 1, first contact resolution. Did the agent resolve the issue during the call? Did they clearly document the resolution? 5 points. First call resolution. FCR is pure gold in a call center. It reduces costs, it increases satisfaction. Item number 2, action items and follow-up. Did the agent clearly communicate the next steps? Did they document the deadlines? 5 points. Follow-up is a promise. If the agent promises, they have to deliver. Item number 3, customer verification. Before closing the call, the agent verified the customer satisfaction. Do they offer additional assistance if needed? 5 points. Simple, but many agents skip this part. Item number 4, call closing. A courteous and professional farewell. Thank you for calling. A closing that leaves a good impression. 5 more points. Total for this pillar is 20 points. We have 4 more criteria that elevate your monitoring. Policies and procedures. Does the agent follow all company policies? Do they maintain data security and confidentiality? 5 points. Upselling and cross-selling. When appropriate, does the agent present opportunities in a professional way without being aggressive? 5 points. Compliance. Industry regulations, legal requirements. 5 points. Coaching and development. Is the agent open to feedback? Do they show willingness to learn and improve? 5 points, because quality is a journey, not just one that monitoring session. So how does it work in practice? You download the form in Excel. Inside each item, there's a drop-down list. You select the answer, click, done. The calculations are automatic. When you monitor a call, you open the file and fill in each section. It's not subjective. These are clear criteria. Empathy, yes or no. Clear communication, yes or no. Problem resolved, yes or no. At the end, Excel automatically calculates a score from 0 to 100%. And you know exactly where that agent excels and where they needed more training. With this structured feedback, you can identify agents' strengths and weaknesses, create target coaching programs, ensure consistency in a service, and measure quality with data, not guesswork. If you want to start using it right now, download the inbound monitoring form. You also get 11 more templates inside that same Excel file. Free, no credit card, no catch. The link is in the description below. Now, if your call center operation is growing fast, managing everything in Excel can get chaotic. That's where CYF Quality comes in. Here, you forget the spreadsheets. You get complete monitoring automation, AI features, automatic reports, and real-time feedback for your agents. Everything systematized, integrated, intelligent. If you want to stay informed about the world of customer service, subscribe to our channel.